Hello again, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Well, I was going to do a video on hummingbirds, but then my son came home with a scrape on his car from hitting a parked car. So today's video is how to remove a paint scrape from a car door with WD-40. Yeah, it's actually really easy. All you need is a can of WD-40, washcloth, and then some kind of soft chamois to really, buff it out nicely. So it's really simple. You take the washcloth and you wipe all the dirt and everything off of the area where the scrape is, and you let that dry. And then once that has dried, then you spray a little WD-40 on it, on all the parts that have scrapes and scratches and all that kind of stuff on it. You let that sit for about a minute just to let that WD-40 soak in and loosen up that paint, and then you use that chamois or something, nice and soft, a little soft. If you have a washcloth that's really soft, but it needs to be some kind of soft rag, and it will slowly take all that paint off. And it's really that easy. I mean, it literally took 2 minutes to take all that paint scrape off there, as well as teach my son a valuable lesson about being careful when you park a car. So that's it. That's how you remove a paint scrape from a car door with WD-40. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my videos. But most of my videos are about gardening stuff, so we'll get back to the gardening stuff tomorrow, but I just had to share this little teaching moment I did with my son and all of you on how to use WD-40. But that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.